Hello, welcome back to Ballooney Mashup Live Nodding. In this episode, I'll be sharing with you the breakdown on how I created this artwork. So it's basically like a random letters created using SVerchok nodes and geometry nodes. You can see the nodes are really simple, and you can probably already kind of guess what it is. It's just a bunch of letters being scattered on a cube, in this case, and I can simply randomize the seed. And I can use remesh. Okay, so this is quite interesting because normally you can't instance text and remesh it. You can't combine it. If I get rid of remesh, it's just a bunch of text, and I can control the density of the text. You might notice something in the center. That's the actual text, I believe. Yeah, that's the original instance, and that's being generated by SVerchok. Okay, so SVerchok is generating font, actual text objects, and also converting it into mesh. So the setup is looking like this. So this is A to Z, this is a node, and I split it, and then I'm using this typography viewer, so it's become like text object, and then I can instance it. But I'm also converting the text object using collection picker. So this is alpha contains text objects, while the collections is this second collection is generating actual mesh. What's interesting, however, is this is letter A to Z, and I'm splitting it, so we have like A to Z, as this is like a normal text object in Blender. Okay, if you want, you can also do it this way. So if you write like apple, banana, orange, this is like a text object that you can combine using list join. Make it list join level 2 and plug this into there. So hopefully we have different result here. So if we take a look, this is apple, orange, banana being generated, I think. Somehow, yeah. Oh, it's both of them, the text objects and the mesh objects on top of each other. And as a result, if I hide this, geometry nodes, which is just a cube, if I transform the cube beforehand, yeah, we have this. There's actually some kind of artwork similar to this somewhere in Sydney. Again, you can remesh it because it's a mesh object. Because geometry nodes really like polygon mesh. It doesn't always convert text objects curve into mesh by default, but it can do that using conversion. Yeah, so I think this is quite nice to be able to do this on the fly. There. Let's do something as a bonus. I will try to make something. Oops, 0.2. So this is just bunch of text. I can duplicate this. Command A. So we have just a single mesh object, and we can use sculpt and simply use cloud filter. I always like this feature, inflate. Now it's becoming balloony text. I don't know, it's just, there's something about this. I should have turned on collision, but it probably doesn't matter. Yeah, so this is kind of artwork. And right click, shade smooth. We have balloony text. Alright, so hopefully you enjoy this show and explanations. Give it a try yourself. Try to build this from scratch and you will learn something. So thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.